Hey guys, well, I got my roof rack on and I got two Renogy 100 watt solar panels mounted on the top of the rack. I just got the regular mounts, drilled a hole through it and bolted it to the rack. So now my situation is trying to figure out exactly how I want to run these wires down into the inside of the van and do it without leaks and so on and so forth. I need to wire the two panels together. They're going to be 12 volt systems, so in parallel, and then two wires going down into the van. And I'm just trying to figure out how to go about that. I think I'm going to wire them together and run a wire inside temporarily just to kind of hook things up and see how they're working. But I really had a dilemma when I was putting these up here, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to mount them so that I could tilt them, because you'll get a lot more sun power with the tilt, but I didn't want to go to that length with the complexity of the system. I decided to just keep it simple, and I think that 200 watts is going to be more than sufficient for what I'm planning on using, even if it's reduced, because I don't have them always optimally angled for the sun. But so far, no extra holes in the top of the van, which I'm happy about. And worst case scenario, I need two small holes to run the wires down into the van, or one medium-sized hole to run both down through. But that's where I'm at. So at this time. So as I continue to kind of wonder what I'm going to do with the wires and how to hook that up and bring it down inside the van, I'll keep you posted and add to this video. So for now, that's where I sit, and this rack is extremely solid. I'm happy with it. It's a steel rack, it's not aluminum, so it's a little bit heavier than the aluminum mounts, but it'll work. I'm not worried about the weight that much at this point. So until I come up with something new to show you, that's all I got for the moment. See ya.